This is gonna blow your mind. Imagine shedding those extra pounds without ever having to turn on your stove or oven. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. You can lose weight without cooking a single meal. Yes, you heard that right. No more spending hours in the kitchen, no more complicated recipes, and no more excuses. Let's dive into an easy no-cook salad that's perfect for weight loss. This salad is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that will help you stay full and satisfied. Whether you're short on time or just not a fan of cooking, this recipe is for you. Imagine coming home after a long day and whipping up a healthy meal in just minutes. Sounds amazing, right? First, let's talk about the common challenges of losing weight, like not having enough time or the hassle of meal prepping. We've all been there. The stress of planning, shopping, and cooking can be overwhelming. But what if I told you can skip the cooking and still eat healthy? Intrigued? Great, let's get started. This no-cook salad is a game changer, and you'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. Grab a big bowl and start with a base of fresh spinach. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients, providing you with iron, calcium, and a host of vitamins. It's low in calories but packed with vitamins. Plus, it adds a lovely green color to your salad, making it look as good as it tastes. Next, add some cherry tomatoes. They're juicy, sweet, and full of antioxidants. These little gems not only enhance the flavor but also boost your immune system. Toss in some sliced cucumbers for that refreshing crunch. Cucumbers are hydrating and low in calories, making them a perfect addition to any weight loss diet. Don't forget a handful of shredded carrots for a pop of color and a boost of beta-carotene. Carrots are great for your eyesight and add a natural sweetness to the salad. Now here's the secret weapon: chickpeas. These legumes are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. They're high in fiber and protein, perfect for keeping you full longer. Chickpeas help in maintaining your energy levels and are great for digestion. Add a sprinkle of sunflower seeds for a bit of healthy fat and extra crunch. These seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and essential minerals. Finally, dress it up with a squeeze of lemon juice and a dash of olive oil. Simple, right? The lemon juice adds a zesty flavor while the olive oil provides healthy fats. This salad isn't just easy to make, it's incredibly effective for weight loss. The combination of fresh vegetables, protein, and healthy fats makes it a balanced meal. Low in calories, high in fiber, and full of nutrients. This salad will keep you full and satisfied without the extra calories. What more could you ask for? It's quick, it's easy, and it's delicious. Plus, it's a great way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet. So, there you have it. A no-cook salad that's quick, nutritious, and weight loss friendly. This salad is perfect for lunch, dinner, or even as a side dish. Give it a try, share your results in the comments, and don't forget to check out more of our healthy recipes. Happy eating! We'd love to hear how this no-cook salad fits into your weight loss journey.